So let's talk about tear trough or dark circles under the eyes and what are some of the treatments. Everybody knows about fat transfer under the eyes to improve the dark circles, but the question is, how does it happen? First of all, there's a small attachment from the bone that goes all the way to the skin that creates a very sharp delineation, gives the appearance of called tear trough deformity. And you can release it during the surgery or even with injection of fat. We harvest the fat, we process it, and we create something that's called nanofat when the fat particles are so small. The advantage is twofold. One, it allows separation of that ligament, but also allows what is called the stem cells to be proliferating and making the skin thicker. When the skin is thicker, the dermis is healthier, the underlying dark brown muscle fibers don't show themselves and it appears better. Also, surgeries such as Blepharoplasty, where you reposition some of the fat and you release it between the muscle and you put it under the bony regions, that also creates a nice transition, a smooth transition from the lower lid to the cheek junction and really turns back the hands of time. Another thing I noticed that she has beautiful eyes, beautiful facial features. However, she has a big sunken dark shadow under her eyes, a deep trough, and she was really bothered by it. She said no matter how much she sleeps, people think she hasn't had enough rest. And you can see we have created nanograft fat, which we harvested, and we're going to build up the cheekbone and fill up this area. And actually, amazingly enough, it decreases the bruising from the rhinoplasty, and it makes her eyes stand out. It gets rid of the dark circle. And this is the process where we do this. We essentially go back and forth, and slowly it makes the fat be more natural looking. Okay. We are doing fat grafting to the lower portion of the lid here. We're going deep to the orbicularis muscle, and we are doing nano fat. You can see my hands moving constantly just to avoid any clump of fat, and so it be very smooth. And this area more rejuvenated. Her eyes gonna frame themselves better, and it looks better. Just finished the rhinoplasty, and now we're doing this part. This fat has been processed and purified to give you best results.